So in this video, I'll show you how to extend your battery's long-term health. Now, what you need to do is to go to your phone, your smartphone, right? This can be any of the S26 series. Now, go to the settings. So I'm going to swipe upwards, and there is my settings. I'm going to tap on the settings. Now, I have to go to device care. So I'll scroll all the way down to look for device care. All right, so there it is, device care. So I'm going to tap on that device care. You would see here the battery. So here is the battery. I'm going to tap on that battery. Now this opens up. I'll scroll all the way down to look for battery protection. Okay, so that is my battery protection. Okay, so I'm going to tap on the battery protection. So here we are on battery protection. Keeping your battery at a full 100% charge for a long time can reduce its lifespan. There are two options here. You'll see by default the basic. So when your battery is charged to 100%, what happens here is charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95%, and then charging will start again. So when you plug your phone, when it gets to 100%, it drops to 95%, and then it continues to charge again. When it gets to 100%, it drops. Okay, now that's if you're not close by to take it off from the power supply. So by default, that is the one selected by Samsung. Now there's this other one, which is maximum. Charging will stop at a level that you set. So if we choose this one, or you choose that maximum, a level that you set, the lower the level, the more you can extend the battery lifespan. Okay, so but we're going to leave it at the basic. But what I would turn on here is sleep time protection. I'll turn that on, but before I turn it on, I'm going to explain what that is. So the sleep time protection stop charging at 80% while you are asleep and finish charging to 100% just before you wake up. So that one is good. So once you're charging and it gets to 80% during nighttime or while you're asleep, it's going to stop at 80%. And when you wake up, it continues to charge to 100%. So we're going to turn that on. So on customization service. Now here, to estimate your sleep time, customization service needs to turn on. So we're going to turn on that, right, which is good. So here I'm just going to go on here and turn that on. So here I'll put a tick there and then tap on the agree over there. So we have turned that on. As you can see here, it is not turned on. So I'm going to tap here to go back to our customization. So here you can see that the basic is turned on and the sleep time protection is not turned on. Now with this turned on, you will be able to extend your battery's long-term health. Okay, so now I'm going to give you additional information on how to protect your battery's health and extend its overall lifespan. The most effective strategy is to minimize stress. Now this includes managing heat, charge levels, and daily power drain. So number one would be master the 20 to 80% charging rule. So avoid the extremes. Try to keep your charge level between 20% and 80% for daily use. Okay, now small tops are better rather than you having to charge your phone from 0% straight to 100% cycle. Right, now charge to 100% only when it's needed. Okay, now managing heat. Heat is the biggest enemy of battery health and can cause permanent capacity loss. Keep it cool. Avoid leaving your phone in direct sunlight, on a hot car dashboard, or under a pillow while charging. Remove thick cases. If your phone feels hot while you're charging, take it out of its case to allow heat to dissipate. Avoid heavy tasks while charging. Doing intensive activities like gaming, high quality video streaming while plugged in creates double heat from both the processor and the charging process. Adopt healthy daily habits. Reducing daily drain means fewer total charge cycles. Okay, now use the right hardware. Stick to the original charger or high quality certified replacement. Cheap uncertified chargers can deliver unstable voltage. Slow charge when it's possible. While fast charging is convenient, it generates more heat. If you're charging overnight, a standard slow charger is gentler on the battery. I